12 months and 8 days after her previous visit, when darker arts captured imaginations, Jean Sherwood returned to Corsicana. The daughter of a Unitarian minister, educated in an abolitionist college, Sherwood was called by faith to the reforms of the social gospel. In Chicago, with Jane Addams and others, Sherwood had earned a reputation as an advocate of progressive causes. But in railroad towns across Texas, she was known as the evangelist for art. Sherwood's reputation had grown in part through her participation in the camps of summer Chautauqua, where she proved as charming in a rustic setting of the Rocky Mountains as in the refined homes of a Gilded Age Chicago. The Colorado Chautauqua, where she was a regular, was a favorite with Corsicana's teachers. The city had even raised the necessary $200 to sponsor a rent-free cottage to assist local teachers in participating in the summer gathering. On Friday, March 21st, in the presence of her Chautauqua friends and the prominent persons of the Ladies' Club Society, Jean Sherwood prefaced her lecture with compliments on the classic architecture of Corsicana's new high school, then under construction on the west edge of the city.
While in the company of some of the ladies of the city, I had the opportunity this afternoon to visit the location on which the new high school is now being prepared. I know there's much excitement about this building. Now this evening, you've shown me a wonderful drawing of what the completed building will look like, and you and your school board are much to be congratulated on the choice of this design. It is with much pleasure that I note the classic and beautiful outlines in this front elevation that your architects have provided you. And it gives me hope that the daily sight of the building will so educate the taste not only of its students, but of all the city who pass it each day, that the public sentiment will demand that future buildings in Corsicana will be built not as boxes of brick and stone to serve as shelter. They will unite with that necessary utility, the merit of delighting the eye and clarifying the soul of everyone who comes in contact with it. We are no less in conversation with our children through the art and architecture of our homes and cities than we are when we teach them the golden rule.